be honest, this is a dream come true. If you are an educator who delights in working with a talented team of amazing teachers, Palm Beach State Academy is the place to work. If you are an educator who loves working with smart and respectful students, PBDA is the place to teach. If you are a head of school who believes in the mission of Palm Beach State Academy and is convinced of the potential for the school to be a true model of excellence for primary, elementary, and middle school education, then this is the greatest job ever. Most importantly, if the parents and the Board of Trustees are supportive of this faculty and these students, then the sky is the limit and the future of our school is indeed incredibly bright. I'm reminded of a quote by Billie Jean King, which adorns the walls of the Tennis Center, which bears her name in New York. Pressure is a privilege. Now the quote is subject to interpretation, but in my mind, it means that to have arrived at a place in life where you feel pressure, and that pressure matters to you and matters to others, then that is a really, really good thing. Students should remember this. Pressure need not be viewed as a negative. As Billie Jean King would say, just keep working and work really, really hard. I already have deep respect for the institution, its proud history, and the people who have come before me. And we are all going to work together to make Palm Beach State Academy one of the premier independent schools in the state of Florida, if not the United States of America. In one of my favorite novels, Don Quixote, the protagonist is played the role of a chivalrous knight-errant who believes in his heart of hearts that all his crazy deeds are worth the effort because he is simply fulfilling the mission of his profession, to be a great knight who serves his master and assists all those in need, regardless of the situation. That is how I've always viewed being a head of school. You kind of have to be crazy to take on the job. But if you believe, and if you really believe in the mission, you can accomplish great things.